Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best educational toys to help your child grow and learn. Today, we're excited to dive into one of the top-rated learning tools for young readers, the Little Bud Kids Spin and Read Montessori Phonetic Reading Blocks. If you're looking for the best phonics blocks to help your little one get a head start on reading, this is the perfect product for you. Designed for toddlers and preschoolers, this set helps children build a solid foundation in phonics, letter recognition, and early reading skills. It includes 5 wooden rotating rods, each with a vowel and a set of consonants. Your child can spin and mix the blocks to create over 60 simple CVC, consonant-vowel-consonant, words like cat, bat, and bag. The beauty of these blocks lies in their tactile design, which encourages hands-on play. The blocks are easy to spin, and the process of forming new words gives children an interactive, engaging way to learn phonics while having fun. What makes these phonics blocks stand out is their ability to foster independent learning. The accompanying flashcards are double-sided, featuring real-life pictures on one side and the corresponding word on the other. These cards are color-coded by vowel sound, allowing for easy categorization and enhancing the learning experience. Plus, the design encourages self-correction, helping kids feel confident as they independently test their knowledge, check their work, and refine their skills. Beyond the blocks and flashcards, this set is also a great travel companion. It comes with a convenient tote bag for easy on-the-go learning, making it an excellent tool for long car rides, waiting rooms, or trips. Whether at home or away, your child can practice their reading skills anytime, anywhere, all while being screen-free. Another feature that parents will appreciate is the quality and safety of the product. Made from solid beech wood, the spin and read blocks are built to last. They are eco-friendly, non-toxic, and exceed all child safety regulations in the US, UK, EU, Canada, and several other countries. They're a durable, sustainable choice that will grow with your child for years of learning. To make the most of this toy, the set includes downloadable worksheets to extend the learning experience even further. These worksheets focus on writing practice, CVC word identification, and other phonics exercises, giving you additional ways to engage your child and support their learning journey. The Little Bud Kids Spin and Read Montessori Phonetic Reading Blocks are not only educational but also beautifully designed, making them an excellent gift for young learners. If you're a parent looking for an effective, fun, and safe way to teach your child to read, this set is an investment you won't regret. It's a product that aligns with the Montessori philosophy of learning through exploration and hands-on activities. So, if you're ready to take your child's reading skills to the next level, check out the Little Bud Kids Spin and Read Montessori Phonetic Reading Blocks. It's an engaging, versatile, and thoughtful way to introduce your little one to the world of reading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews right here on Product Critique.